your how to keep things from falling out of your RV cabinets and drawers while you're traveling down the road battle ends now. Because this video features 6 different, cheap, easy, do-it-yourself solutions from real RV owners. Every time I got to my camping spot, I was always nervous to open my door because of what I might find. Not anymore, because I recently installed one of these solutions in my camper. And at the end of the video, I'll share with you which one I chose. Welcome back, Team Small Camper Fam, or if you're new here, hi, I'm Randy, and every Thursday I share tips to help you make big memories in your small camper, because weekends are just too short.
We really do have to expand on these cabinet closures. People are still using bungee cords and still using cushions. Please, just buy a couple of eye hooks and a couple of dowels and lock your doors so that they're not popping open.
So these are the dowels and the bobbles that we use to keep our doors closed while traveling. Simply have drilled through the side of the cabinet hole, through the side of the cabinet here, into the side of the door. And putting the dowel in, goes right through into the door, and this is secure, doesn't pull open. So this is on all 3 drawers, plus this drawer. So all 3 of them, close it, and that just is the hook and eyes, but they're just the eye, and then it just pops in. And off we go. Same thing on this one, because we found that although these locks kind of work, they don't stay closed. And so drilled on this side. These are just the eyes. And you're simply putting that in and you're way to go. And nothing in the way. We have the same scenario for the bed drawer. However, we don't use the dowels because we've heard that the drawer can, if you hit the brakes, we were afraid that maybe the dowel may not be strong enough. So we actually do use a heavier screw here. And what we've done is drilled through. And so when I close it, I just need to push through, and now that drawer is not coming out.
We use the holes to keep the drawers and use double headed nails so that you can pull them out easily.
Just drill a hole into the side here. Just stick the nail in.
It's at a slight angle. It's right here.
Comes in here.
Okay, I see that.
Hole here. Hole here. And hole here. And then all you have to do is
Slide that in.
nail.
It just slides right in. These Velcro straps that we added to keep these cabinet doors shut. Now it's a Velcro strap. You close your door, you unlatch it, slide that through, back through, and strap it shut.
They won't come open.
You might go anywhere.
Baby locks on cabinets.
And how did those work?
Push that button, close the cabinet. So now they won't open. When you get to the site, I just store them up here. And then when I get to a site,
Okay.
yep, when you're camping, you don't want to do this every time. So if you push that back this way, then they just freely open and close. So then when we get ready to go out, that's when we lock it up.
And you've not had a problem with anything opening with using those?
We have not.
Okay.
These peel and stick were my magnet fixes for the drawers. Just stuck them there on the side. I haven't even screwed them in.
Also, they just have sticky back, and you just peel the back off and they stick right on?
Yes, but they do come with screws if you want to screw them in, and they hold.
Can I try to open it?
Yep, you'll be able to open it.
But it gives it just a little bit more resistance.
Right.
When I put the latches on, I wanted to make it look like it was factory. I didn't want to change things too much. So what I did is I put these latches go like this. They fold in like this and boom, lock down. And these things never come open. So all the cabinets are like that to get them open and latch them. And the drawers down here, I put a metal piece here and I've got pins that come through locking. See that?
Oh, okay, yep.
That's the pins that come in under inside the cabinet here, and the cabinet come in. It hit that, and all 3 drawers are locked in that way with these metal pins that have like a ball check on them, so they can't slide back out.
All right, will you show us that?
Yeah.
Will you show us the pins?
Where'd you put the pins, Chris?
In here, where they belong.
Right.
They have a ball that's a spring-loaded ball on them. They use these for trailer applications and everything.
Okay.
And when you open up the down here on the bottom, You close the drawer. I'll do the center one here. It goes into the hole that is right here, and it slides right in. See, now you can't.
Oh, that is real.
And this one's open, and they all have the same thing. You don't have to take the pins completely out. You can just slide them halfway out. Leave them like that. She takes them out and puts them there, and that's fine too. But I put the cabinet up here because this is a double door setup. What I had is I put this bracket in, and I had to weld this. I had to make this custom because it didn't come with that. And when you close it, latch this down, it'll open that far, but that's as far as it can open up. It can't open any farther. And it looks like factory. That's the whole idea. Bottom drawer was the same thing. It's on the bottom. It latches. It has a catch on the bottom that's underneath. You look down inside and see down inside that hole is where the latch drops down into the cabinet, catches the cabinet, holds that drawer shut. It was the same thing. You see the latch underneath. Yeah, it comes down and it catches the board underneath. And I bought these at a boat supply place. Some of them I had to bend the tab because the tab is just a straight tab on the latch. I actually had to bend them out and bend them in again to make that catch, and I had to measure the distance I had to go out to catch to pull them in. So it's a little bit of screwing around, but I like the way it looks because it's clean. Looks like it came out of the factory that way, and that's the whole we did like that. So
let me know, which solution did you like the best? I installed Alan Cat's dowel and hook solution. I also made a step-by-step video showing you exactly how we did it. So click here to watch that video next.